There was a boy who carried words in his heart, but kept his mouth closed. He understood everything, but said nothing. His silence wasn't peace, it was a cage, and every day that cage became smaller, darker, and lonelier. Subscribe to JA Info Urdu for daily English confidence stories. Let me tell you about a boy. Maybe you will see yourself in his story. Maybe you will feel what he felt. Maybe his journey will inspire yours. This boy knew English. He studied it for years. He could read books. He could understand movies. He could write beautiful sentences. But he couldn't speak, not even one word in front of others. Why? Because fear lived inside him. Fear of making mistakes. Fear of sounding different. Fear of people laughing at him. Every time someone spoke to him in English, his body would react. His hands would shake. His throat would close. His mind would go blank. And he would stand there, frozen, silent, ashamed. In school, when the teacher asked questions, he looked down. He pretended to be busy. He hoped she wouldn't call his name. And when she did, his voice came out as a whisper, so quiet that no one could hear. His classmates spoke English confidently. They made mistakes and laughed about them. They practiced together and helped each other. But this boy stayed alone, trapped in his silence. One day, something happened that changed him forever. A foreign visitor came to his school. She needed help finding the library. She asked him in English, "Excuse me, can you help me?" The boy understood her perfectly. He knew where the library was. It was just down the hall. He could help her. But when he opened his mouth, no words came out, just silence. She waited. She smiled kindly, but he couldn't speak. After a long, painful moment, she walked away, and the boy stood there, feeling small and useless. That night, he cried, not because the woman left, but because he realized something terrible. His fear wasn't protecting him. It was destroying him. It was stealing his opportunities. It was making him invisible. He made a promise to himself that night, a serious promise. He would break his silence. He would fight his fear. He would learn to speak English, not perfectly, but bravely. The next morning, he started his journey. He stood in front of his small mirror and looked at himself. He felt embarrassed, but he spoke anyway. "Hello, my name is... Today, I will be brave. I will practice English. I am not afraid." His voice was shaking. His words were simple, but he said them out loud, and that was the beginning. Every morning, he practiced with his mirror. 5 minutes, then 10, then 15. He talked about his day, his dreams, his fears. "I am eating breakfast. I feel nervous, but I will keep trying. I believe in myself." He also started reading out loud, simple stories, children's books. He read slowly, pronouncing each word carefully. "The sun is shining. The birds are singing. Today is a beautiful day." Then he discovered shadowing. He watched English videos and repeated every sentence. He copied the speaker's tone, rhythm, and confidence. "You can do this. You are stronger than you think." His daily routine became: morning, 10 minutes talking to the mirror. Afternoon, 15 minutes reading out loud. Evening, 15 minutes shadowing videos. Every single day. No excuses, no breaks. After 2 months, something amazing happened. The same foreign visitor returned to his school. This time, when she asked him for help, he answered, "Yes, I can help you. The library is down this hall. Turn left, you will see it." His voice was still nervous. His accent wasn't perfect, but he spoke. He communicated. He helped someone. She smiled and said, "Thank you so much. Your English is very good." He walked away feeling something he had never felt before. Pride. Real, deep pride. Not because his English was perfect, but because he had faced his fear and won. Today, that boy speaks English confidently. He still makes mistakes. His accent is still there, but he doesn't hide anymore. He doesn't stay silent. He speaks. He connects. He lives. And he wants you to know something. If he could break his silence, you can too. You might be afraid right now. That's okay. Fear is normal. But don't let fear control you. Don't let it keep you silent. Start small. Stand in front of a mirror today. Look at yourself and say one sentence in English. Just one.
I will speak English. I am brave. Say it out loud. Feel the power in your voice. That's your beginning. Tomorrow, say 2 sentences. Next week, have a conversation with yourself. Next month, speak to someone else. Build your courage slowly. Practice daily. Be patient with yourself. Remember this. Every fluent speaker was once afraid like you. Every confident person was once silent like you. The only difference? They decided to speak despite their fear. You can make that same decision. Today. Right now. Your voice matters. Your words matter. Your dreams matter. Don't waste another day staying silent. Don't let fear steal your future. Speak. Even if your voice shakes. Even if you make mistakes. Even if you feel scared. Because on the other side of fear is freedom. On the other side of silence is confidence. On the other side of doubt is your dream. Subscribe to JA Info Urdu and start your English speaking journey today. Because you are not meant to stay silent. You are meant to speak, to grow, to shine. The boy in this story found his voice, and so will you. Start today. Speak today. Believe today. Your journey begins now.